Welcome back to Rusty Metal Garage, and as you can see, the 65 has changed some. I went ahead and did a step notch. I was going to do it on camera, but I decided not to. I mean, there's so many videos out there on how to do a step notch, but today I'm going to be installing the airbags, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be going in on my trailing arms. I don't have I don't have a tubular 4-link or anything like that, but like I was saying, you know, when you get your kit, your airbag kits, I went ahead and put my elbow in, but you know, you get your kit for your airbag for the rear on like the 65 Chevy C10. Let me get these brackets out. You know, you get your lower plate for your trailing arm, and then your top plate. You know, it mount up. Excuse me, but if I'm doing this right or doing it wrong, it's going to mount up on your bag, and that goes on the bottom. You know, it's going to mount to the bottom of your notch and down onto your trailing arm. But what's the point of doing an air ride suspension? You're wanting to get down as low as possible as you can. What's this right here? Your bag's only going to go compress so much, and then you're still going to have this. You know, that right there is going to be stopping it from getting down even lower. So with all that being said, see this? Toss it. We don't need it. I got on simplectn.com, and he has these little templates. I done went ahead and drilled everything, drilled my hose out and stuff, but you put these on the bottom down here, and you line it up. Make sure your rear end is centered and you got equal spacing on both sides. But take this template, tape it up there, and you know, it's marked where your hose need to be. And you know, get you a good set of step bits, cause your arm's gonna be tired if you got any dull ones. Trust me. But take your step bits and then, you know, drill out your hose. I use this one right here. It goes up to 1/2 inch for my mounting hose. And I use two. I use this. Let me get this off the drill. I use this one to start out with for the airline. I use this one to start out with, and you finish off with 1 3/8. You'll make sure that it goes all the way through. That way you'll be able to stick your airbag up in there. I got that one mounted, which I'll go ahead and take you over to that side, but I went ahead and mounted that one first to do it off camera. That way I can make sure I'm getting it the way I want it to. And then, but I'll take you over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and we'll go from there. Sorry I haven't made a recording in a while, but man, life is just kicking my butt. But let me bring you down here. I got this bag mounted up, and once I get the driver's side mounted up, I can raise this back up and I can run my center bolt with my plate down here. But on the inside, sorry, I don't know if you can see it, I got my airline coming in right here, and look, I can still swivel it. My mounting is back there, so I don't know, I hope you can see that. Whoop. Sorry. But right, like I said, my airline's right there. And it's simple. That way when you go to air out, you just got the brackets that's on the bag, and it's going to let you to, you know, collapse all the way out. So with all that being said, I'm going to get over there and drill this one out, we're gonna get this thing mounted up, and we're gonna get it where we can air up and down today, I hope. And then I gotta get some longer studs so I can put my wheels on the truck, but I do got a Watts link that I'm going to put on the rear end, and I will record that. I should have recorded the step notches, but like I said, everybody and their brother has made a video about step notches. So, alright, let's jump over there and let's get this drilled out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I'm using my step bit to, step the hose out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this drilled out. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. That way you ain't gotta go through all this drilling with me and stuff. So let's jump through it. Let's get this done. Okay, I got the bags mounted finally. Like I said, we didn't use the uppercut mount, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the lower plate on, and I'm gonna raise the rear end up. That way I can put the through bolt through there, and then we'll get this all tightened down, and we'll air it up and down and see what it'll do. So here we go. I'm gonna stick this block underneath here just to be on the safe side. I don't want it to come crashing down on me. I go up some more. Jack it a little bit more. There we go. Give me some room to put some threads. I'm gonna go to the other side and do that, and I'll bring you with me over here too. Basically, this side is just repeated the other side, so let's go ahead and get it in. And alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure everything's centered again one more time, and then I'll get these tightened up, and when I bring you back, we should be testing it out. So stick around. I put 60 in it. So here we go. Let's see what it does. I could pull this out and make it go faster, but this worked just good. Everything's clearanced real good. Nothing's gonna get in the bind or pinched. Got good clearance in the axle. Here we are. That's down. I mean, I possibly could make it go down lower. This side is down like this because I'm on flat tire over here. I need to get longer studs for the new wheels to go in here, but it'll all be leveled out. But all right, we're gonna raise this up, and then when Olivia gets back, we're gonna let her do it just to see the look on her face, because she is so excited about having air ride on her truck. So here we go, we're airing up. All right. All right, sissy.
What are I doing?
See that button right there? Come here.
This one?
See that button right there? Press and hold it.
This one?
And watch your truck.
This one?
Yeah, and watch your truck.
What?
Press and hold it all the way. Now what?
That's cool.
Keep on holding it. Let it all go out, okay? It takes a minute. But what do you think about all that?
It's cool. Wait, it's going farther and farther
Yeah, keep
down.
it. Let it go all the way down.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way.
Will it touch the ground?
It's almost to the ground, baby. It's
Is
almost
it gonna touch the ground?
Huh?
Is it gonna touch the ground?
It could.
That's bad.
No, it won't be bad. That's called aired out. That's when you park somewhere. Press it all the way down. See?
My hand is hurting.
All right, now let's air it up.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's faster.
Mm-hmm. All right, right there.
That's cool.
So what do you think?
I like
You
it.
like it? Is that what you wanted? Yeah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.